Hey everyone, welcome back to Sklearning. In today's video, we're going to know about types of hosting in ASP.NET Core, which is commonly asked in interview. There are two types of hosting in ASP.NET Core. In-process hosting is related to IIS. In this, only one web server is used for hosting, and that is IIS. And the name of process is w3wp.exe. Out of process hosting, this process uses Kestrel and sometimes Kestrel and IIS both for hosting like shown below. In that process name is w3wp.exe and has only one web server, IIS. Out of process. In that process name is .NET and it has two web server, IIS/Nginx/Apache plus Kestrel one web server Kestrel.
Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. Subscribe to Sklearning for more informative content.